The most important aspect to machining cycle time estimating is to ensure that the data in the estimate actually matches what happens on your shop floor. If speeds and feeds, machine specs and machining processes do not match what is achieved on your floor, your estimates will be incorrect and will lead to underutilization or overloading machines, which will then lead to wasted resources and higher production costs. KipwareCYC ensures that your estimates match your shop and its capabilities and processes. Let's take a look at how. The consistency and accuracy achieved with KipwareCYC stems mainly from the use of the machine spec and cutting parameter databases. The software is shipped with multiple preset machines and material cutting parameters, but the user has the ability to modify and add to all the databases. The capacity of all databases are unlimited, making for powerful, user-configurable data to again ensure the estimates created best match your shop. An easily configurable and powerful sawing database is also standard, so you can estimate a complete cycle time, from material prep through the complete machining process. When it's time to create an estimate, we can start by entering some reference specifics like customer name, part number, etc. Then it's basically stepping through the machining process operation by operation using the estimate screen. Pull-down menus give the user access to all the database choices for machines, material and operations. Simple user inputs further describe the machining specifics, and calculations are automatically performed by KipwareCYC. The user has complete control of the machining process to ensure the workpiece is processed in the estimate just like it will be processed on the shop floor. Database calculations ensure the times and cutting parameters are also reproducible on the shop floor. Once the estimate is complete, in just a couple of clicks a complete routing sheet can be created. Routing sheet contain all the operations in the estimate and include all operation specifics, all speeds and feeds and all cutting times for each operation. This serves as an in-depth roadmap for programming and machining, again, to ensure the estimate data matches what happens on the shop floor. Valuable feedback from the shop floor allows for the tweaking of the databases so that, the more you use KipwareCYC the more accurate it becomes. KipwareCYC also has a powerful multi-part calculator feature for milling. This calculator can take an estimate based on a single part and auto-calculate the machining of multiple parts using fixtures, indexers or rotary tables. For multi-spindle turning centers that perform simultaneous operations, using the ghosting option the user can choose to hide operations so that the actual cycle time will only reflect the longest cutting time spindle. To obtain a quick look at machine time and labor costs from the estimate, the user can use the included runtime calculator. Using settings like an efficiency factor, labor rate, number of parts to machine and number of workday hours, the user can quickly calculate total hours required, total days required and total labor cost from a KipwareCYC estimate. KipwareCYC is completely user configurable for inch or metric users and has separate databases for both. Data between the two can be automatically converted and synced with a single mouse click. Multiple users can all use the same database data because KipwareCYC allows users to place database files on a server, in a central location which individual users can configure. KipwareCYC is a proven-in-the-trenches solution for machining cycle time estimating. Trusted by estimators around the world since 1986, KipwareCYC provides a simple and efficient solution for any size shop to help stop guesstimating and start estimating. Get all the details and learn more at www.kentechinc.com.